In recent years, the conversation around insurance reform in Louisiana has grown more urgent as policymakers, industry leaders, and residents grapple with the need for a system that balances affordability, accessibility, and sustainability. The stated goal of the insurance reforms is to stabilize the insurance market, and several bills have recently been signed into law by Governor Landry. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to explain how insurance statutes are changing in Louisiana. It matters to our clients at Pearson Shouse because many folks will attempt to adjust or handle their insurance claims on their own, spend some months fighting with the insurance company and learning about the system before they throw up their hands in disgust and decide to get some professional help. For many years, Louisiana had a number of statutes. They provided for various penalties and disincentives in an effort to keep insurers towing the line and honoring the obligations made in the contract of insurance. Since the most recent tort reforms, those penalty provisions have been substantially trimmed and modified. General damages are mostly gone. Penalty damages are much more strictly listed than they were previously. The duty of good faith on the insurer's representatives has been relaxed, and there's been a safe harbor provision introduced such that if the insurer takes certain steps at the right time in the claim, there arises a cure period where they can cure any defects in their handling. The legislation is intended to reduce the burdens on the insurers and to reduce the risk and the cost to the insurers where they, for one reason or another, fail to meet their obligations or their time deadlines or their ethical boundaries. There is one piece of the tort reform that does favor claimants to some extent, and that is an extension of what we in Louisiana call liberative prescription. Other states around the country would call it statute of limitations. Louisiana historically has always had among the shortest liberative prescription periods in the nation. In Louisiana, if someone did you wrong and caused you harm, you had to make your claim within 1 year of the date that the harm was done or that you knew or reasonably should have known it was done. The tort reform statutes enacted Civil Code Article 3493.1, which extended the prescriptive period for filing tort claims from 1 year to 2 years. That's effective July 1 of 2024 and only prospectively, meaning only accidents that happen on or after July 1 of 2024. So the rule is, if your accident was before July 1 of 24, you have 1 year to make your claim. If your accident happened on or after July 1, you have 2 years to make that claim. The thinking behind this extension is that many people are unable to complete their medical treatment and their physical recovery within 12 months of their accident. They're forced to decide whether they want to bring a formal claim in court for compensation before they know the extent of their injuries, the duration of their injuries, the full effects on their family and their workplace, and so forth. The insurer's hands have been strengthened in many respects, but there are also changes that will benefit certain claimants. These are complex matters. If you've suffered an accident through no fault of your own, we encourage you to give the folks at Pearson Shouse a call, make an appointment, come on in. We'll talk to you and tell you what rights you have and where your strengths and weaknesses are, what your case is worth. No charge for that consultation. Give us a call at Pearson Shouse, schedule an appointment, and we'd love to talk with you about your accident.